In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of the line midpoint snap not showing in AutoCAD. Picture this. You're trying to create a circle exactly in the middle of a line, but when you move your cursor, it just doesn't snap to the midpoint as you expected. This can be quite frustrating, especially if precision is key in your design work. But don't worry, in just a few steps, I'll show you how to troubleshoot this snap issue. First things first, the simplest approach is to check if object snapping is enabled. This feature is crucial for tasks requiring accuracy and alignment, and enabling it is quite straightforward. All you need to do is press the F3 key on your keyboard. This will toggle the object snap function on or off. With object snapping enabled, AutoCAD should assist you by snapping the cursor to key points such as endpoints, centers, and, ideally, midpoints of objects. However, if you find that snapping is still not working as intended, especially if it snaps to other object features but not the midpoint, then there's likely another issue at play. This usually indicates that the midpoint snap mode is currently disabled. The good news is that it's a simple fix. To enable the midpoint snap mode, start by typing osnap or simply OS into the command line. Once you've entered this command, hit Enter. This command opens up the Drafting Settings dialog box, specifically focusing on the object snap settings. It's here you'll find a checklist of various object snap modes available in AutoCAD. In this list, look for the option labeled Midpoint. If it isn't already checked, click to check the box next to it. This action enables midpoint snapping, allowing you to precisely snap your cursor to the midpoints of lines and objects. Now, before you close this dialog box, take note of the other snapping options. Here you have the flexibility to enable or disable other snapping modes as needed for your specific project. Once you've ensured that midpoint snap is checked, click OK to apply these settings. And there you have it. The issue is resolved. Now, when you move your cursor over a line, it should effortlessly snap to the midpoint, allowing you to place your circle or any other elements exactly where you need them, thereby restoring accuracy to your design work. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in resolving any snapping issues you've been experiencing in AutoCAD. A simple adjustment can make all the difference in your drafting and designing tasks. Remember, understanding and customizing your snap settings can greatly enhance both your efficiency and the precision of your work. If you have any further questions or need more assistance, feel free to explore more of our helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching and happy designing.